What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, this week we have some new DIY items here on the clearance aisle. We have things like wick centering tools, bath bomb mix, we have soap molds. They're kind of the cheapy ones though, they're not the silicone ones, but some of the prints are kind of cute, 100% handcrafted. The swirls, we have some basic shapes here. We have a supply set with the little, I think they're called pipettes, and the measuring spoons for $2.45. We have stir sticks and wooden wicks, things for making your own candles. We even have candle colorants. 85 cents for this one, $2.25 for that one, $2.25 for that one. We have little oil sets, scrub mixes, a little ceramic jar if you want to make your own. Me, I just like to reuse candles that I've used up. That's my favorite thing to do. We have even more of the DIY kits down here, ranging from $8.70 to $8.90, $9.30. We've seen these get really low in the past, you guys, so just keep scanning these and definitely check the Walmart app versus the in-store price, because whatever one is lowest, that's the price that they'll honor at the registers. $5 blankets. We have a Thermogel memory foam mattress topper, down about 20 bucks. We do have Pioneer Woman on the clearance aisle. We have a runner for $7, Sub-Zero blackout curtains for $14.35, Better Homes for $10.60 and $13.10. The time and table items are still here. The reusable Keurig K-Cups are still here. We have lots of panels and room darkening panels. This one's just $2.50, down from $9.94. This is cute, look at this. A 2-tier turntable with bins. I'm thinking maybe it was returned, it says scratches. We have some little cube alarm clocks, some dollar paper towel holders, measuring cup for $1, more Better Home wide sheer panels, a $3 over-the-door shoe organizer, a $5 foaming cleaner, picture frames. Not really the best price right now. Some really big ones down here. These are $12. The youth compression shorts are just $2, down from $7.97. $1 cleats, we still have some here. We have some workout gloves, $3 workout gloves in a men's medium large. We also have some with the wrist wrap for $5. These were $13.47, so that's a pretty nice deal. Some Lego sets. The boxes are pretty damaged. Loopies, Feisty Pets are still here. $2.50 Doorables, $13 Duplo, Beyblade, down from, I don't know, like about 50 bucks. Saved $12, it says. And then over here, still tons and tons of back to school stuff. And they're marking things down more and more. All of these were $3. These are now dropped to $1.50. These are down to $1. The gummy ones are $1, $1.50 for the stripes, $1 for the football, $1.50 for the clear ones. These are so cute. Tell me, you guys, tell me to say no. Tell me to walk away. Because you guys know how I feel about zippered bags. $1, oh, and they're so gummy and good. I don't know if I can resist. Oh, it just feels so nice. We have purple, they're just $1 down from $3.97. These are also $1. So hard to just walk away. $1.50 for unicorn. Oh, unicorn is so cute. We have even more up here. $1.50 for mead, down from $4.47. We have scissors that have been marked down to 75 cents. Fiskars for 75 cents, down from $3.97, I believe. Oh, I like these. Some are $1.50, some are 75 cents. Definitely scan them. We have ages 12 and up scissors. These are $2, down from, what does that say? Those are just $2, down from $2.97. I think they're just down 97 cents right now. 25-cent scissors. 2 scissors for 25 cents. What a deal. Wow. 25 cents. Happy planner accessories for $1.50, down from $5.42. That's a nice deal. The restickable glue is $1. 12 glue sticks for $1. 12 by Crazy Art for $1.50. 50-cent pen and gear mechanical pencils, 50-cent rulers, 10-cent plastic folders. $1.50 fashion binder, but I don't think this one is in the right place. It is?
Yeah. There's more on the end cap.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's go look at the end cap. Thank you. Let's go look on the end cap, you guys. What? Look, you guys. $1.50. No rain, no flowers. Wow, these were $5.46. These are cute. These would be good for couponing or whatever you want to do with them. These are $1. Wow. Okay, what do we have over here? I don't think any of these are on clearance over here. All the sunscreen has been marked down a little bit. Just a little bit. It's still really pricey. But double check on Ibotta and see if you have any rebates that you could get back for these, because some of these are still $11 and $13. Just keep watching these. And they've recently added the Soothing Body Wash. CeraVe has recently been added. It's $7, down from $14.93. And also the previously $9.97 Secret Aluminum Free Limited Edition is here for $7. We also have Clean Ocean for $7. Pencils are 50 cents. Is it Friday yet? $1.50. Bear Republic is still here, but it's still not marked, so please scan. We still have $2 foundation. We had some 22-cent makeup last week. We still have a little bit. 25-cent makeup. We have a $1 protective calculator case to be used with these models for just $1. We have lots of cute stickers, calculator stickers. Calculator stickers, really? Repositionable calculator stickers. These are all 50 cents, down from 88 cents. Phone charms, dry erase. Most of them are $1. Bic Gelosity for $2. Those are down from $4.48. Even more. And these are cute. Look at these. Super cute. Yeah, you guys, that is what's on the clearance aisle this week. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along. Let me know what you're in the mood to see next, and I'll show you whatever you guys want to see. Just let me know. Let's end right here. Let's look at these brand new fall blankets. Oh, they're so luxurious. Look at that. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so soft. This is so silky and soft. Look at this. Hop in. Okay, now I'll cover you up. I love this one. These are $14.96. Wow, they are beautiful. They are so nice. They're really, really heavy and really, really nice. Reverses to a Sherpa. Wow, these are beautiful. You guys, please share this video if you have a friend that loves to save money and loves to shop in Walmart like we do, and they can join the Bunny Birdie Gator family. But all right, you guys, I'm out of here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.